What's the meaning of centerfold? Centerfold. Centerfold.
Centerfold. Centerfold. The term centerfold typically refers to a magazine or newspaper article, photograph, or illustration that appears in the center of the publication when it is open to a two-page spread. Centerfolds are often used to showcase a particular subject or image, such as a celebrity, model, or product. They have been popularized in magazines like Playboy and Penthouse, which feature nude or partially nude models as centerfolds. The concept has also been appropriated by other industries, such as music and film, in the form of posters or promotional materials featuring stars in provocative poses.